This video's purpose is to show bench testing of the original Buick 455 V8 starter, Chevy LT1 starters, high torque alleged. Both of these worked great on the motor. Started up right away, had a nice whistle to it as the starter spun. That lasted maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops, right? Replacement sent, replacement sent. One of the original ones is on the motor in the car right now. The original Buick 455 starter. I have the green for ground, red for power. Grounded, power supplied, and this is my exciter. I have 12 volts going on, just to show that it has power. Okay. Now I'm going to the exciter screw. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take a moment and actually, what happens is this. Voltage drops immediately and it's this weird beeping sound out of the power supply, which is basically telling me this is a bad move. Nothing's happening. Just to show. Nothing happens. Armature does not come out of the starter. Nothing. I'm going to go to the Chevy LT1 starter. Grounded. Power. The exciter. Same deal. Why does that happen? I have no clue. I'm not an electrician. LT1 starter number 2. Ground. Power. Exciter. Nothing, of course. Just to show. It's got juice. I'm going to go to the exciter or ignition bolt. Nothing but this. Same thing. Now, if you guys can let me know why this is happening, that would be great. All three, when I took this off the motor, it was working. These two were removed off the motor due to the, I would turn the key and it would go tick, 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 tick. Maybe the 5th or 6th time, the motor would engage. This would actually spin, the armature and gear would spin out and start the motor. LT1s, no good for me. And they were all purchased from the same eBay seller. So that's probably a factor there. Just wanted to give a demo. Thanks for your time. Your comments on this, especially due to the fact that I'm no electrician, that would be heavily appreciated. God bless. Peace and love.